Welcome back to Hands On Wisconsin, brought to you by the Jason Mills team at eXp Realty. Joining us right now, give him a nice introduction.
Andy.
Hello, 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 hello.
Do I sound like that when I sing your name?
Yes, it sounds that nice. Yes, it's like angelic.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Well, Andy was a multidimensional guy. We, of course, will have Professor Andy talking a little about some VA loans, but he did a pretty cool thing regarding security.
Really cool. Tell us about it, Andy.
Yep, I have some friends, Rich Gorobakoff and Dave Mullins, who, Rich owns Eagletep Corp, and Dave works there, and I was able to go over to their office, talk to him, and it's something that we're really seeing a lot. I'm seeing it when I'm signing people up and they're buying homes. Security systems. It's kind of the new thing. Not the new thing, but it's
not just for businesses anymore. People are
correct. It's
really
at the
getting
home.
into it.
It's out on the trails. It's at businesses. It's all over the place. So and with the technology advancing these days, it's some neat stuff.
And you'll be in real estate, as we all are here, well, except for Kim. She's a big real estate buyer, but still, it's one of those things when you go to a property to show a house or to look at a house or whatever, like they tell you, assume you're on camera.
Yeah.
Assume everything you do and say
Probably.
is going to be recorded.
Because nowadays anybody can get one.
Absolutely.
You know?
Yep,
But that's why
very
you
true.
should work with experts like this, because there's a lot of options out there. I
Yeah,
feel
they
like.
do a
So,
very
yeah.
good job. I've seen a lot of the work that they've done at different places, both home, residential and commercial stuff, and they do a good job.
Yeah, and Eddie did a good job paying them a visit.
I
Yeah.
Here we go.
And this is the office. This
Nice.
is where
I like this.
it's nice we can get a lot of our customers to come down and we can actually give them an actual hands-on demonstration.
Absolutely.
Show them some of the different cameras that we have, and what they can do, the difference between analog and digital cameras, which is a significant upgrade from where it used to be.
And what do you see as like your most common request? Is it residential? Is it the trail cameras? Is it commercial? What do you see as your most common request?
Actually, it's kind of a mix right now. We've actually just completed a couple large manufacturing plants. You're talking, we did 55 or 56 cameras in one with wireless network involved in it.
Okay.
So and then we just finished another home, and it was a 5-camera system.
Is it more of a safety thing that they're concerned about? Is it keeping an eye on the kids, on the little rugrats? What are they thinking when a home buyer wants to put in something?
Each one is completely different. Each person has their own. The majority of the time, they want to see what's going on around their house. It's nice because if the kids are out, they can see them playing in the backyard and everything. But also, Amazon, big, huge right now.
Great point.
People want to see.
Yeah, are my packages there and are they remaining?
Or did somebody come and steal them? So it's security and just gives them a good peace of mind knowing that their property's covered.
Okay, Dave. So I'm looking around at some of these cameras here, and the video looks great on a lot of them, and I do see a difference. How has the technology changed over these last couple of years?
Oh, it's changed so much, Andy. Originally, and you could see by the bottom screen, that's the analog. That was your first start at videos. Now they've upgraded to digital, and it's just a better clarity. You get more resolution. We've got a camera right now. It's called a Mini PTZ. It's a pan tilt zoom. It zooms 300, or it rotates 360 degrees, and it's got a 25 times zoom on it. And if you want, you can look at the one over here, the picture over here. We've got a box that's across the room, and you can actually read the label on the box. It's technology is just continuing to go.
What am I able to view the videos from? Can I look on my phone? Does it have to be a desktop, laptop? How am I able to access the cameras?
As long as you have internet at your home, the video gets uploaded. You can view it live. You can do playback. There's a lot of different things that you can do with it. So if you have a tablet, any smart device, you can get a web address that you can log on from a desktop. So we've made it very easy and very simple for our customers to be able to view no matter where they're at.
What about from a security standpoint? I would think with the way these cameras are set up that if there is a burglar or an intruder of some sort, that this is obviously really going to help and help the law enforcement be able to track somebody down. Is this stuff that you can turn over to law enforcement, or tell me a little bit how that works?
You can select which camera it was. You can select the time and date, export it down onto the thumb drive, and say, here you go, Mr. Officer. Here's the video proof.
What else are you seeing the video technology being used for these days?
We do a lot of places that are out near the woods or a lot of homes that are out there and stuff. So what we do, what a lot of the owners like to do is they like to incorporate it not only for security, but to actually see what kind of wildlife's around their house. And it's pretty neat. You can catch some pretty interesting things with these cameras. So it works out really good for them. They like to see what's going on.